Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about creating a lesson plan on Planbook. Planbook can seem very daunting with all of its many options. However, I'm going to show you how to make it simple. So as you can see, on Monday I have a completed lesson plan. Tuesday through Friday are not complete. I'm going to show you how to build each portion of your lesson plan in a way that's organized and simple to read. Now, as you can see, I've already built in templates, but we can work without templates. Templates will make the lesson plan easier. So looking at Tuesday, since it's an unopened or an empty lesson plan, I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to open up the main page where it's going to ask me to enter a lesson title. We're working with the same information this week, so I'm going to call it Classify to Make Categories. Same title as Monday. And then it gives you the tabs. The tabs help organize your information depending on what your administration requires you have. So the first tab is Standards. So I'm going to click the plus sign to add my standards. As you can see, I have Common Core, Mathematics, and Kindergarten. I'm going to choose one standard just for the example, and I will choose B4A. It's being used in the curriculum this week. So I'm going to choose that one, hit the check mark to save. And it's now plugged into my lesson plan. I move to my next tab, which is Objective, and it already has a template built in. We're going to delete that template because we just have one objective today. It's classify items into two predetermined categories. And that's our objective for the week as well. Then I move on to materials. And for today only, just as an example, I'm going to choose one material that I'm going to use. And I know I'm going to use my Reckon Rec. A Reckon Rec is an abacus. It's a type of early calculator that helps kids learn to count. I move on from my Reckon Rec to my actual instruction. This is how I'm going to actually teach. It has my templates built in for my fluency. So I'm going to go ahead and say, fluency, we're going to do finger counting to 5. My application problem, usually it says something like draw 2 cookies and color 1 brown. So it just shows that the students are able to apply the fluency that they understand or that they know. And then concept development is my actual teaching time. So I'm going to put something like Reckon Rec counting activity. We're going to talk about separating the white and the red beads and making them into categories, and then counting the white category and the red category. And then you usually have your work page, so I'm going to put work page to show if the kids are understanding what they've been taught. And then student debrief is a portion of the particular curriculum that we use. And so I'm going to say review the problem set, always go back over the questions, and then if there are the problems, and if there are any questions, you can discuss them here, applying the information that they've learned. And then finally, homework or classwork, if they have any homework that they have to do that day, which in this case they do not, so we're going to delete this particular template. And I move on to differentiation. Differentiation may differ depending on the day, but this is what I always keep, the template I always keep. Guided practice, review concepts, and then the homework helper. And then finally, if your administration requires it, here's a notes and reflections tab where you can type in students all aced material. Make sure to emphasize Reckon Rec. So this lets me know next year if I want to use it again. Finally, I save my lesson plan at the check mark, and as you can see, it is published into Planbook. Thank you so much for watching.